Why are you on the floor? Are you okay? Is she going to die? It's all my fault.
Hi, everyone. I'm home.
Daddy, you are home early. Hello, Daddy.
Welcome home, honey. How was your day?
It was good. And I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? Is it a toy?
No, it's better. We are going out for dinner tonight.
Oh, that's lovely. I don't have to cook tonight.
Can we go to the pizza restaurant?
Yes, we can. Do you like that, Mia?
Yes. I like pizza.
What's wrong, Mia? You look a bit quiet.
I'm okay, Daddy. I'm just thinking about pizza.
Okay, kids. Go and put on your shoes.
Wait. I want to bring my snack.
No, Leo. We are going to eat a big dinner soon.
Just one small bag of chips, Mom. Please?
Okay, fine.
Huh?
But only one.
Hey! Where is it?
What are you looking for, Leo?
My favorite blue bag of snacks. It was here.
Did you eat it already, Leo?
No! I didn't. I saved it for today.
Maybe it fell behind the sofa?
Mia, do you know where my snack is? I don't know. Are you sure? You were playing near here. I didn't see your blue bag.
It's okay, Leo. We will have pizza soon.
Mia, go get your coat, honey.
Oh, Mom.
Yes, Mia? What's wrong?
I need to go to the bathroom now.
Oh. Hurry up then, Mia. We are waiting.
Lily, is Mia ready? The restaurant is busy tonight.
She is still in the bathroom, Jack.
She is always slow. I'm so hungry.
Be patient, Leo. Maybe she is washing her hands.
Mia? Honey, are you okay?
Yes, Mom. I'm coming. Mom, I still can't find my blue snack bag.
Not now, Leo. Let's focus on leaving first.
Did she eat something strange today?
I don't think so. She had rice and fish for lunch.
That's healthy. Mia, are you feeling better now?
Yes, Daddy. I'm ready to go.
Your face looks a bit white, Mia.
No, it's just, I want to eat pizza. Then let's go. I'm going to the car now.
Okay, I have the keys. Let's move.
Wait, Mia. Do you need a jacket?
What happened? Why did you stop?
Oh no, not again.
What's wrong, sweetheart?
I need to go back. Back where? To the bedroom?
No! To the bathroom!
Again? This is the second time.
That is very strange.
Jack, I don't think she is just tired.
Maybe she is sick because she is hungry?
No, Leo. People don't do that when they are hungry.
Mia, did you eat something before Daddy came home?
No, Mommy. I didn't eat anything. Daddy, I think Mia is telling a lie. Will Leo be angry with me? I am a bad sister. I told a lie to Mommy and Daddy.
Mia, are you okay now? We really need to go.
I think I am okay, Mommy. Finally! I am so hungry I could eat a horse.
Let's go to the car then.
Wait, Mia. Why are you holding your coat pocket like that? Nothing, Mommy. It's just... my hands are cold. Hey! What is that blue plastic in your pocket? It's nothing, Leo. Go away! That looks like my snack bag. Give it to me.
Leo, don't shout. Mia, show me what is in your pocket.
No, it's just a toy. Aha! I knew it! Look, Mom. This is my favorite blue snack bag.
But it is completely empty, Leo.
Mia, did you eat all of my snacks?
I was very hungry this afternoon. Oh, Mia, did you eat it all alone?
Yes, they were very yummy. That's why you have a tummy ache. You ate my snacks.
Mia, why did you tell a lie to us? We asked you before.
I'm sorry. I was scared.
Telling a lie is worse than eating the snacks, Mia.
Oh, no. Mommy.
Not again? Yes. I have to go.
Oh, no. Not again. Great. Now my snacks are gone, and our dinner is gone.
Sorry, Leo. We are staying home. I will make some soup for you. Lie down here, Mia. How does your tummy feel now?
It still hurts, Mommy. I'm so sorry.
I know, honey. But you must learn a lesson today.
Is it because I ate Leo's snacks?
Yes. If you want to eat something, you must ask adults first.
Why, Mommy? I was just very hungry.
Because some snacks are not good if you eat too much.
And I told a lie. I said I didn't see the bag.
That was a mistake, Mia. Being honest is very important.
I was scared you would be angry with me.
We are only sad because you lied. Tell the truth next time.
I promise, Mommy. I will ask you or Daddy first.
Good girl. Now, stay here and rest.
Are we still going to the restaurant?
No, we are staying home. I will cook some porridge.
Thank you, Mommy. Can I have some medicine too?
Yes, I will get the medicine and some warm water. I'm sorry for ruining our dinner. It's okay. Just rest now. I'll be back soon.
Okay, Mommy.
Mia? Why are you on the floor? Are you okay? Jack! Jack! Come quickly! Mia isn't feeling well.
Mia! Hey, sweetheart, talk to us. Are you all right?
Is she going to die? It's all my fault.
No time to talk. Lily, open the car door. Now.
Get her inside. We need a stretcher.
Please, God. Save my little girl.
Mommy, I should have shared my snacks. I was so mean.
We are a family, Leo. We will get through this. Good news. She had a severe allergic reaction, but she's stable.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Mommy. Daddy. I'm so sorry. I'm not angry anymore.
I'm sorry too, Leo. I was greedy.
Honesty and health are more important than any snack, right?
Yes, Daddy.
What kind of healthy food should she eat, Doctor?
She should eat more vegetables, fruits, and fish. No snacks for a week. Did you hear that? Vegetables are your new friends.
Can I still have a little bit of chocolate?
Maybe later, Mia. For now, water is the best.
Don't worry, Mia. I will eat broccoli with you.
That's very kind of you, Leo. Let's start a healthy week together.
Thank you for everything, Doctor. We will follow your advice.
We hope you enjoyed our story today. If you found this English lesson helpful, please give us a big like.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video.
We would love to hear from you. Which new English vocabulary or phrase did you learn from our story today?
Please share your answers in the comments below. We read all of them, and they make us very happy.
Also, we are curious. Where are you watching this video from? Tell us your country or city in the comments.
Thank you so much for joining our family today. Keep practicing your English, and we will see you very soon.